Using social media to leverage to get new business is, as far as like keeping up with the Joneses, you know, when you have a home that you're building, everyone needs to market their build. So as far as marketing your build, you're doing it on a big level now, as opposed to just being in the neighborhood. Now your social media is your neighborhood, and you're able to get a lot more people that way. The first year, it was just getting content out, just trying to get something out every day. But it's just about being consistent, doing things that's worth looking at, you know, so you get eyes of people. Oh man, we have a lot of fun. We're just trying to add to the dynasty. We like to use the drones, you know, that definitely gives the good aerial shots, especially with roofing. We like to use the gimbals. The growth from the last year has actually been growing a lot. It's been getting bigger and bigger. When homeowners see Dynasty basically on our social media or on homeowners' houses that we build, they see that when they have the ICO Dynasty on there, it looks like the model home. And then when they see the other ones, they see like, hey, why don't they have that contractor? So anything we're shooting needs to be good enough to be on HGTV, and that's why they love ICO Dynasty.